Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can remove Google Authenticator from MEXC Global. So the first thing that you will have to do once you're on the official MEXC website, you will just have to log in, of course, with your correct credentials so that you will be able to successfully log in. And once you've logged into your account, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and you should see the account section or option. And what you will have to do is click that, and then you will look for security settings and then click Authenticator. And after that, you will just have to click remove or reset, and then you will be prompted to complete the 2FA verification using your current Google Authenticator code. What you will have to do is confirm your email verification by clicking the link sent to your inbox, and once verified, Google Authenticator will be removed from your Maxi account. And by the way, you could also set up a new authenticator immediately for your security. And you should not share your 2FA codes, and always enable a new Google Authenticator after removing the old one. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.